My robot was the Gyro Boy. I used the EV3 box. The first design specification is the robot must have two wheels at the bottom supporting everything, and the wheels must be black. This design specification uses user observation because the user only needs to observe the robot to verify that it has black wheels. The following design specifications are: the robot must use the EV3 box, the electronic instructions, and the computer as materials. The motor must be at the top and must use cables. The robot must include the required beams, and the robot must include the ultrasound sensor. All of these design specifications are met with user observation. All of them only require with the simple task of looking over the robot and confirming it has the requirements stated. The design specification number 5 is that the Gyroboy robot will be used in a house to entertain. It will not affect the environment in any way. This design specification is met by using expert appraisal. My expert will be Mr. Angie, and she will give her opinion on how entertaining and how harmful it can be to the environment. The design specification number 6 is that it's not suitable for small children because they might try to consume it, and it is 8-year-olds plus age. I will use performance testing by setting up a test and giving it to a small kid and test how appropriate it is. Design specification number 7 is it is for both genders and it applies to everyone's socioeconomic background. I will use field trial to test the design specification and send it out to both genders and test how appealing it is to them. The design specification 8 and 9 is it is a size about 15 centimeters tall and 10 centimeters wide. I will use user observation to test this because I can observe how tall it is by placing it next to a ruler. The design specification number 9 is the robot must be mainly gray. I will use this to test the design specification user observation for the same reason in design specification number 8. Design specification number 10 is 8-year-old kids will learn how to program it and use it properly. I will use field trial and I will test it and actually give it to 8-year-olds and see if they are able to handle it properly.